In this video, I would be revealing to you the 4-step process that anyone can use to earn $5.30 again and again from CPA marketing from the comfort of their own home. These steps are 100% free and are beginner-friendly. Even your grandma can make money with this method. And somewhere in this video, I have hidden a secret tip to double your income from this method, so make sure you watch till the end of the video. The first step is going to Google and searching CPA Grip, then click on the first result. As you can see, CPA Grip is a performance marketing platform. This means that you would be paid on how well your marketing performs. So they would pay you more the more sign up and clicks you get. They have 5 different tools here that you can make money from, but we would only be using the URL locker for today's tutorial. To get started, click on the register button to sign up. To sign up, you would have to fill in your basic information, such as name, email address, phone number, and where you're from. If you don't have a company name or website, you can put a dash. After you sign up, you should see this page. In the public chat, you can see that people are making life-changing amount of money. To get the URL locker, click on monetization tools, then URL/file locker. Now click on create new content locker. Before you create a content locker, make sure you read the terms of service carefully and do not break the rules, or they might suspend payments to your PayPal or bank account. After accepting the terms of service, you would be brought to this page where you can select from a variety of ready-made templates. I would be choosing this template as it looks like the most suitable one. Now we would be moving to our second step. You can leave the CPA Grip tab open. The second step is finding the latest movie that everyone has probably not watched yet. Searching on Google would be the fastest way to find the answer. This movie called Blackout seems like an interesting film. Now go to sflix.se, a free movie website, and type the movie that you found in this search box. For me, the movie would be Blackout. Click on the related result. You should be on a page with a similar layout. Now go up to the search box and copy the whole URL. Once that is done, you can head back over to CPA Grip and paste the URL here. After clicking save, you have successfully created your first content locker. The third step is driving traffic to your URL locker with TikTok or YouTube. We would be setting up a movie clips page. I choose these 2 traffic sources as it is very easy to go viral on them. One successful example is Khaby Lame. It took him less than a year to grow to 100 million followers. To put this into perspective, SoFi Stadium can contain 70,000 people. This means that we would need 28 stadiums to contain all his followers. Now, I am going to teach you how you can find content to post on your page. First step to finding content to post is to go to TikTok.com. Second step is searching the keyword movie or any other related keywords. Third step is to click on an interesting looking TikTok and copying the link of that video. Then head over to Snaptic.app and download that video. Now just simply repost that TikTok on your own page. The fourth step is placing the file locker link from CPA Grip into your profile. When placing the link into your profile, you should use Linktree to organize the different movies. That is all for the video. Before you go, you should watch this video about affiliate marketing using Pinterest. See you there.